I'm going to show how to do a loopback test on my Roomba to USB bridge that I got from Sparkfun. It lets me communicate serially with my Roomba vacuum, my little robot vacuum. And I'm just going to show the loopback test right now. I'll do a different video that shows me actually moving the Roomba around with commands I send from my computer. So this stick is connected with a USB cable. I think this is a mini B or something. You do need the cable, but if you have a like a digital camera or something, you probably already have one of these cables around. But on Sparkfun, they just sell you the stick here, so you're going to need that cable. So to test this, you just need a little piece of hookup wire, because what we're trying to do is test if we send something to this, it'll come back to the computer. So you can use a program called PuTTY, P-U-T-T-Y, and it is an SSH and telnet client. You can send serial commands with it. So here we are on the PuTTY screen. You need to pick serial because we're doing serial communication here. And there's drivers on the Sparkfun site for the stick. And so just install those drivers and it's going to allow your USB port to seem like a serial port for the operating system. So I'm pretty sure right now I'm set up to be COM4. So I'm going to choose COM4. And I'm going to hit open. Open. Okay. So right now, I don't have anything connected to it. It's open right now. It's not going to loop back from receive to transmit. So if I press some keys on here, you're not going to see any output. Yep, nothing's happening. That's what we expect. So let me show you the pinout. This is the serial command interface on for the Roomba, and these two here, 3 and 4. 3 is the receive and 4 is the transmit. So if we connect those together, it's going to send from the receive to the transmit and come back to our PuTTY screen. So I will try to show you this. We'll see if that works. So there's 3. Pop that in. And oh shit, I broke it. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I'm going to connect 3. Just push that in gently to 4. I don't know if you see that. So now they're connected. So now I'm going to go back to the PuTTY screen. And now we should see when I press see we're seeing some letters come up here. So that means the connection's good. So that's a good way to test the connection. If you can't communicate with your device, go back to basics. See if you can just send anything over the line, and this is how you do it. Another good test is if I actually connected my some mini DIN wire that connects to this. Let me pull this out here. I don't know if you can see that very good. Not very good. But there's like 7 or 8. Yeah, you can't see it, but very good. But anyway, if you go and look at the, you can see that a little better. So the cable I'm going to use looks like this. And we can do the continuity test to see if our cable's good now, if we were worried about our cable. Use a multimeter. And I have a continuity setting. And I have another video that shows some continuity stuff. Can't see that very good. It's like a diode symbol and also an audible tone symbol. I think most multimeters have it, or at least a diode tester. It's just resistance you're testing. So if I went and connected each side of a pin, the same pin, like say the receive, we should hear an audible tone if the connection's good. If the wire's good, there's no breaks. So let's do that. Oh, hard to get on there. So you hear that sound? That's good. We'll do the other pin. I mean, there's 8. We could do all of them if we wanted to. And it's also making a sound, so our connection's good there. So if we didn't hear a sound, we know there was something wrong, and with the loopback test, when we had connected those 2 pins together, if we hadn't seen our key presses through PuTTY, then we'd know there was a problem with either the USB cable or configuration setting or this USB bridge itself. So I hope that's helpful. You can test anything that's serially with a similar technique. You're just going to need a little hookup wire to, that one broke. Just cut off a little piece, strip it, and pop it in there. So I hope this was helpful.